Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see the detailed long-term review on this Kamiliant by American Tourister trolley suitcase, which is of medium size. See, this is the brand name, and this I purchased like 8 months back. So this is the exact one from the Flipkart I have purchased, which is 67.5 centimeter, which is medium size. Okay, this is the exact model and the exact color. Anyway, I'll drop the link for the unboxing and full details. Let us go for this. See, this is very convenient, and the body is semi-solid, you can say, not completely solid. But the thing here is, without the luggage, this feels very lightweight, and now this is fully packed. Okay, this is fully packed. This would be around almost 20 kilos now, the weight. And see, this is four wheels. Even though with the four wheels, the rotation or the movement is absolutely fine. See here how smooth I can take this trolley, and the movement I feel like almost cent percent I'm very much satisfied. And coming to the build quality, you can say this is like almost hard body and at flexible. See here, you can see the flexibility here, and the zippers also is of very good quality. And this 3-digit lock, right, I'll be showing you by keeping this on this. I didn't face any problem till date with this 3-pin lock also. And coming to the design, this is not that premium, but it's okay. Few of my relatives saw this trolley suitcase, and they have mentioned that this is looking pretty decent, not pretty premium, but decent enough. Even the color choice also. And coming to the dust resistant, this is not dust resistant because it is catching dust. I traveled on bus for one time, and on the car one time, not any time in the train. Yeah, I kept this aside in the room. See here, there is some dust accumulated here. Just the raw footage I'm showing you without cleaning anything. So this is after 8 months. There are no scratches I found here on the body. This is with the physical examination and the overview. And I purchased this for 1500 rupees. Now the price is showing like 1700. There is short increase in the price range. And as I said, these are four wheels. Here, these are four wheels. Let us keep this on the table now. Yeah, this is the overview. So what I'll do is I'll try to open this. Before that, maybe I can drop few drops of water here so that we can do the water test. Means this is waterproof only, I can say. Means water won't get inside. Okay, that I want to show you. Okay, see, as I said, this is fully packed. Around 12 pairs of clothes were inside. Now 10 to 12, see here, right? And there is inner compartment here with the zipper, so I can show you that one also. Yes, there is enough space inside also. Yeah, fine. And this is also the waterproof sheet. Okay, I'll be closing this. The zipper qualities are good. This band to hold the clothes is good. See here, I just rotate like this, right? But the package is perfect, they didn't get disturbed. Okay, I'll be closing this, and now we'll check the 3-digit pin now. Yeah, now the default is 000. Okay, but I changed, actually I changed the digit number. And this lock system, this lock system is working perfectly fine. I saw few of the trolley suitcase, even the brand new ones didn't work actually. See here. So I'll change the digit, working perfectly fine. So whenever you give the perfect 3-digit lock code, easy. So if you ask me how much level I got satisfied out of 5 means 4.5, means I didn't find any much negatives on this trolley, the budget, even the looks, and there were no scratches actually. That's the best thing. Even though if there would be any scratches, they won't be that much noticeable. Maybe that may be due to the color or design or something like that. Yeah, maybe in the coming days I'll be posting a review after like 2 years or something like that. If you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments. And coming to this telescopic handle, okay, not that strong, but okay, decently good. Yeah, if you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.